At first, let us talk about the panel function. The first is 0.8 gas wire. Support synergy. Repeatedly. The second start at 1. This adjusts support synergy. The third is MMA. Same adjustment. The fourth is lift tick. Now talk about the MIG torch installation. Quick plug connect the torch interface. Ground clamp. Connect positive pole. Now talk about the lift tick torch installation. Quick plug. Connect negative pole. Ground clamp. Connect positive pole. Gas pipe connector to the gas bottle. Now let's talk about it. MMA holder installation. MMA holder. Connect negative pole. Ground clamp connect positive pole. MA holder connection finished. Now talk about the welding wire installation. Now it's one wire. We use one wire this side. If need 0.8 wire, choose a change into it. Keep one side outwards. Now use one wire. Keep one outwards. Wire come out. Get out of this interface. Connect the torch. Before wire feeder. First, remove the tips, then start wire feeder working. When the wire come out, install the tips. Install the conductive nozzle. OK. Now connect the lift tick gas pipe interface to the gas bottle above the gas cylinder. Remove the screw caps on the gas bottle. Unscrew the nut. Thin attack the fittigen. Then open the gas bottle valves. After that, pressure. Adjust to reach around 10. Lift the valves on the torch. When idling,